Okay, good day everyone. So, the topic that we're going to discuss for this session is solving rational inequalities. As you can see, this is inequality because of the inequality symbol greater than. So, first step, if you encounter this rational inequalities is to vacate the right side of the inequality. Ipupunta po natin yung to sa kabila and make this one into 0. So, yan po. So, 5x. Okay, then 2x plus 6, and itatawid po natin sa kabila, then it will turn as negative 2 greater than 0. So that is the first step. Next step, as you can see, this term is fraction and this term is whole number. So what you're going to do is to write 1. Gagawin po natin fraction by putting 1 as denominator. Okay, then after that, get the least common denominator. The easiest way to find the least common denominator of this fraction is to multiply the denominator. Okay, as you can see, this is 1 and this is 2x plus 6. Any number multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. So as is po tayo, 2x plus 6, and after that we cross multiply. Okay, so 1 times 5x minus 10. Okay, same process, we just copy. Kasi any number multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. And the next distributive property po tayo, 2x times negative 2. So the answer is negative 4x. Then 6 times negative 2 is negative 12. Okay, greater than 0. So after getting that, let's simplify. So as you can see, we have similar terms. So 5x and negative 4x. So we will get x, then negative 10 and negative 12. That is negative 22 over 2x plus 6 greater than 0. Okay, after we simplify the rational inequalities, we will equate the denominator and numerator into 0. So, just like this, x minus 22 is equal to 0. Then we have 2x plus 6 is equal to 0. Then, let's look for the value of x. X is equal to, itatawid po natin sa kabila. Okay, positive 22. Okay, on the right side, we have 2x is equal to negative 6. Okay, so kailangan natin, kailangan natin is x lang yung matira dito. So, we will divide both side by 2. So, x will now be negative 3. Now, after getting the value of 2x, we will create a number line here. A number line. Okay, so we will plot the points. Okay, imaginary lang po. So, as you can see, this is positive 22. Therefore, makikita po natin siya sa right side ng number line. Okay, bilog lang po yung gagamitin natin. This is 22. And for negative 3, doon po siya sa left side of number line. Okay, that is negative 3. Okay. So, after plotting the 2 points, we will now substitute the value of this to the original inequalities, rational inequalities. So, first, kailangan muna natin si denominator. Let's substitute denominator dito po sa ibaba. So, 2x plus 6. So, if we're going to substitute 2 here, so 2 and 2 times negative 3, the answer is negative 6 plus 6. So 0. Is 0 greater than 0? Definitely, it is incorrect. So therefore, hindi pwedeng maging value ng x natin ay si negative 3. Not equal po siya. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng maging value si negative 3 as x. So, next po, si 22. So, let's substitute 22 here. sa numerator. Sa numerator naman, kasi galing po siya sa numerator. 22, now, minus 22 is 0. Is 0 greater than 0? Definitely hindi po. So, hindi din po equal dapat si x into 22. So, kapag hindi po sila equal, therefore, ang gagamitin po natin dito, okay, balikan po natin dito, kapag hindi po equal si x sa 3, open lang po siya. Open lang po yung bilog natin. Same goes to 22. Kapag hindi po pwedeng si x ay 22, open lang po yung bilog natin. Okay? So, after natin malaman ng value ni x na si negative 3 at 22 ay open or hindi kasali, we will now have yung tinatawag nilang testing points. So, meron po tayong set A. Yung set A po natin ay eto, set B, set C, or pwede ding set 1, set 2, set 3. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, we will get value from left side, dun sa gitna, and the right side. So, first, if x is equal to, okay, left side of negative 3, that is negative 4, then we will substitute negative 4 to these original inequalities, rational inequalities. Okay, so substitute po natin, negative 4 minus 22 to negative 4 plus 6 then 0. So the answers, let's simplify. Okay, negative 26, negative 2 times negative 4, negative 8 plus 6 greater than 0. Okay, so simplify pa po natin. The answer is negative 2. Okay, as you can see, we have both negative. Okay, so it will turn into positive 13. Is 13 greater than 0? Definitely, yes. So, kapag ganyan po, lagyan lang po natin ng yes. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng value sa left side ni negative 3 ay masasatisfy niya na mas malaki sila kay 0. Okay, kapag sinubstitute po natin sa x. Then next, punta naman po tayo dito kay set B. Okay, so 0 na lang po yung gagawin natin para mas mabilis. Okay, is equal to 0. So, 0 minus 22, 2 times 0 plus 6 greater than 0. So, negative 22, okay, 0, okay, 6. As you can see, okay, eto po, pwede po nating i-lowest term. Ang lowest term yan is negative 11 divided by 3. Is negative 11 over 3 greater than 0? Definitely hindi po. So, ang ilalagay po natin dito ay no. Next, sa set C naman po tayo. So, ano yung number na mas malaki kay 22? Okay, pa right side po tayo, pa positive infinity. Okay, so, let's try 23. Okay, try po natin yung 23 dito sa kabilang papel. If x is equal to 23, okay, copy po natin yung original equation. So, 23, should I say original inequalities, 23 minus 22. Then we have 2 times 23 plus 6 greater than 0. So, 23 minus 22, that is 1. 2 times 23, that is 46 plus 6 greater than 0. Then, simplify 1 over 52. Is 1 over 52 greater than 0? Definitely, yes po siya. So, ilalagay po natin dito, yes. So, ang ibig sabihin po niyan, lahat ng value papunta kay positive infinity ay pwedeng maging value ni x. So, after that, so, ang ilalagay po natin, ano nga ba yung pwedeng maging values ng x? So, ito po siya. Okay, so ano yung magiging value ng x natin? So, magiging value is negative infinity to negative 3. Okay, close po. Then, union. Okay, union. Close po ulit. Positive 22 to positive infinity. Okay, as you can see, close and open parenthesis po yung ginamit ko dito. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan, hindi po kasali si negative 3 at si positive 22 sa mga magiging value ng x. So, itong value po ng x na ito ay tinatawag nilang interval notation. Okay, so the value of x here ay tinatawag po itong interval notation. At pwede din po itong maging inequality notation like this one. X is less than negative 3 or x greater than 22. Ang tawag po dito ay inequality notation. Okay, and for meron pa pong isa ang tinatawag nilang set notation. X. Okay. X or 22. Tawag po dito is set notation. So, yan lang po.